The particle starts from the origin at t equal to 0 with a velocity of 10.0 j cap. This one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. This one is the origin and the particle starts from this 0, 0 and the particle starts with a velocity of 10 j cap. That means the initial velocity of the particle will be along y-axis. The particle is moving in the xy plane. The x component of the acceleration of the particle is 8 meter per second square and the y component of the acceleration of the particle is 2 meter per second square. This one is for along the x axis, this one is for the along y axis. Now the initial position of the particle along the x axis is 0. Initial position along the y axis will be equal to 0. The initial velocity along the x axis will be equal to 0 and the initial velocity along the y-axis equals to 10 meter per second. Now the acceleration along the x-axis will be equal to, along the x-axis the acceleration will be 8 meter per second square, 8 meter per second square, and acceleration along the y-axis will be equal to 2 meter per second square. Now we have to find the time at which the x coordinate of the particle is 16 meter. For this we can write down equation of kinematics: x equal to x naught plus uxt plus half axt square. We have to find the time at which the x coordinate will be 16 meter. That means x will be equal to 16. X naught will be 0 plus initial velocity along the x axis is also 0 and acceleration along the x axis is 8. From very basic calculation you can get the value of time t, this time t, and it will come out 2 seconds. This is the time at which the particle will have the position of 16 meter along the x-axis. Now the next part of the problem is that we have to find the y-coordinate of the particle at that time. That means at this moment 2 seconds we have to find the y-coordinate. For this we can write down y equal to y naught plus uit plus half ay into t square. Now to find the value of y-coordinate in this equation, the value of y naught is 0, the value of uy is 10 meter per second. Hence y coordinate will be equal to 0 plus 10 into time will be 2 seconds plus half and the acceleration is 2 meter per second square and once again the time is 2 seconds. You can get the value of y coordinate, that will come out 20 plus 4 and hence it will come out 24 meter at t equal to 2 seconds. Now the next part of the problem is that we have to find the speed of the particle at this moment. Speed will be equal to root over vx square plus vy square. Now find the value of vx and vy at this moment, that means at t equal to 2 seconds. To find vx equal to ux plus ax into t. Ux is 0 and ax is 8 and 8 into 2, that's why it will come out 16 meter per second. Now find the value of vy and vy will be equal to once again ui plus ayt, that means ui plus ay into t and ui equal to 10 plus ay is 2 and time is also 2 seconds. After some basic calculation you can get the value of 14 meter per second. Put the value of vx and vy in the speed of vx square plus vy square and then after that you can get the value of speed of the particle at t equal to 2 seconds.